Alright, Death Valley. It's hot. 2,200 feet and it's 32 degrees Celsius.
Probably this is the dunes. Can we turn a little bit?
Yeah.
To see this one.
Just level out right here, okay? I would head kind of like over there and then make a nice left turn all the way back this way.
I don't remember exactly the expression. There is one place with dunes, another place with salt something, lakes. Some dunes and just...
Yeah, you can see the dunes over here on the left
Yeah.
and in front of us.
And this one, it should be a big one. When I was a schoolboy, they show us the picture of this valley. It was my, wow, this valley. Can you imagine when I first time came? Oh, at least now it happens.
Yeah.
I mean... And this place is the biggest one, I think. They're very high.
Yeah, look at them, tall.
And what is surprising, a very small area.
Good, start your left turn.
Not yet, just a second.
Alright, well don't forget there's a mountain in front of us.
1, 2, 3, okay. Very nice. You don't need to go to Sahara. Everything right here.
It's all right there, huh?
Yep. It's an amazing place. And I remember one nice place, it's like rainbow color cliffs everywhere. It was just, maybe from air it's not as visible, but we'll see. This thing I see just from big distance.
Yeah.
It's not possible to come.
It's hot. 34 degrees, 2,000 feet. Furnace Creek.
Furnace Creek. Furnace Creek, traffic cirrus November 53 Lima Golf, 10 miles northwest, inbound for landing 15.
Just send this direct, okay? So we can find it. Oh, this. Direct enter. There you go. There's all the salt.
What's the name? Furnace Creek?
Furnace Creek.
Furnace Creek, traffic cirrus SR22, 6 miles, final 15.
Yeah, the runway?
Yep.
Okay, so this runway, part of it's been improved, and part of it's just an old runway. You have to land on the newer portion of the runway, okay?
How big this new portion?
It's 3,500 feet. Okay. You can see it towards the end out there?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, traffic pattern altitude, 700 feet.
Are you ready to make the history? Are you recording?
I am recording.
500.
She's line 500.
Altitude. Too low. Terrain.
Getting low, bud. Add a little power, you're a little low, man. If you're aiming for the old runway, you gotta aim for the new runway.
42. There is no runway here. Not old, not one. Just does not
Look
exist.
at that.
It was bad.
Little crosswind there.
It's not about the runway, it's just something with me.
$40 degrees.
Furnace
Fire Creek. Furnace Creek. Furnace Creek.
Furnace Creek traffic 0 SSR22, taxi back on way 15.
Well, I think we've been to all extremes on this trip. Arctic Circle.
41.
The lowest place on the planet.
I was too excited that I forget about flying.
Yep, remember you always gotta remember, if you're flying the airplane, you focus on that. Everything else is...
Yeah, not flying, it's really minus. Let's go for National Park.
Yeah.
Good visibility outside.
Perfect.
Do you see where is the name?
Just park somewhere on the ramp here. Pay entrance fee at Visitor Center. Okay, so that's where we gotta go.
But we are not going to park.
Huh?
We are not going to park.
But we're in the park. We have to still go pay.